Hello, kids! Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. The friendly elephant. The elephant is gray and has a long trunk. It trumpets loudly in the jungle. The elephant loves to splash in the water. The bright sunflower. The sunflower is tall and has yellow petals. It sways in the breeze. The sunflower follows the sun during the day. The sleepy owl. The owl is brown and has big eyes. It hoots softly in the night. The owl sleeps during the day. The fast cheetah. The cheetah is yellow with black spots. It runs swiftly in the savannah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal.